Hello everyone, and welcome to SHEVA.NYC, and welcome to our YouTube channel. We are a hair and hair care platform dedicated exclusively to answering those burning DIY hair questions that you have at home. We're also dedicated to answering those questions that you have if you've had a hair service and you're not sure what happened, or if you're going to a new appointment and you need some help deciding. A little bit about me. I guess I'm a little bit of a geek when it comes to hair and the theory of it. I love the theory side of it. I am obsessed with why hair sheds, why we lose it, what happens if we comb it too hard, what happens to our edges if too much product is applied to it, why the hair goes frizzy, why it melts, why some spots are curly and some parts are straight. I don't see hair as black or white. I see it as curly, kinky, wavy, and or straight. That's important to understanding a person's head of hair, because on each head you can have any of those characteristics that I just mentioned. I've spent many years in the cosmetology industry studying hair, touching, cutting, blow drying, curling, coloring, conditioning, relaxing, highlighting, you name it, I've had my hands in it. On this channel, I will be answering questions and advising how to deal with hair mistakes, how to help you to prevent hair mistakes, and how to help you to correct them. We are here to help you on your hair journey and to make it as easy to be understood as possible. So welcome aboard. Join us as we give you tips and we answer questions on how to keep your hair in its best shape. Okay? Talk to you soon. Bye.